For numbers 1 through 4, I'm just going to give you some hints to start the problems. I just want you to remember that base angles and isosceles triangles are congruent. And the same thing here, base angles are going to be congruent. Remember, this is your vertex angle. And to check your work on these, when you pick your two values, so you'll have something right here, double check that this answer, and this answer adds up to 180. Same thing here. This answer, and this answer needs to add up to 180. On these two problems, at the bottom, 3 and 4, we're simply looking at base angles are congruent. So you're going to set the two values equal to each other and then solve in both of them. So set the first one equal to the second one. Again, I'd like to give you some hints here. Remember the triangle angle sum. All three of these angles are going to add up to equal 180. And same thing here, all three of these angles are going to add up and equal 180. Don't forget what this measure is. In the next two problems, it's a little trickier, but you're just going to use the knowledge that you already have. So you're going to use vertical angles first to figure out this measure. Then you're going to use triangle angle sum to find this measure, triangle angle sum. And then for me, I would put my little rainbow there because to find the very answer that you need, I'd be using linear pairs. Number 8 is very similar. There's two ways you can do the problem, but I think most of you would use the linear pair idea. So you would use a linear pair to find this value first, and then you would use triangle angle sum to find this value. So you would use triangle angle sum. And like I said, you would use linear pair right there. There are two methods that you can do 9 and 10. I'll show the first method on number 9. You can use triangle angle sum to find the angle measure of this. Whatever that degree is, you could set the 6x minus 11 equal to that degree measure. Or you can add up one angle plus the other angle plus the other angle and set them equal to 180 and solve it. This problem probably would be difficult for a lot of people if they don't utilize all the skills they have. So you're going to need to use the fact that you have vertical angles. You're going to need to use that. You're going to have to use linear pair. And then you'll also need, on both triangles, both of them, you'll need to use the triangle angle sum to find the missing angle.